I'm Susan, and I am here with my giveaway for my 500 subscribers. And I am so thankful for each and every one of you, and you just don't know how much it means to me to have you as my subscribers. And I'm just very, very thankful. And I made this little journal. It's a small journal, and it is, let me find my ruler. It is made from a bubble envelope that my son ordered some cards. It's about a little over 4.5 inches wide, and it is it's about 6 3/4 inches tall. And I've just decorated it with bits and pieces, and I hope you like it. It's got a cover. Unfortunately, I'm not very straight with it, but just know it's made with love. But I've got this little Mrs. Cogg's Crafts, some little beads, and a little bit of my grandmother's doily. Got this key. I just used this ribbon to tie it with. I've got a tag and a pocket made from a snippet roll. I just did a little collage here and added little beads here that I've made a while back. Got writing page. There's one of my jelly prints. Got a doily. I just stamped on the background paper so you can write on it. Got some little tags. Just embellished that a little bit. Some more jelly print. Made this tag in the 50 stack challenge. 2. Got this little collage. I made this tag a while back. I don't even remember when I made this. That's been a while. I've got a pocket made out of a coffee filter, a coffee dyed coffee filter, and I just embellished it and did some gold and black splatters throughout. Got this tag and pocket. I've got one of the Tim Holtz little cards with little bits and bobs and tickets stuck in there. Got a guest check that I dyed. Got this little pad, little scrap papers in it. Couple of little pieces here. I've got these tags and this little double pocket that I made. I think it was from Roxy's Creation, one of her mask makings. The other half of the guest check. Got some made with digitals and as well. Got this, just embellished it. I made this out of Amy's, I think it's the first 50 stack challenge, and I made a pocket out of it with a journaling card stuck in. The other half of the coffee filter, got that tag. Another bag. Collage on book page. Little belly band with and then another little just writing spot tucked in there. And the other half of my jelly page, another tag. Doily. Made with love by me. Got this paper clip and made with an envelope and a guest check. I believe this was also one of Amy's 50 stack challenge. So I hope you like this, and I hope you'll give it a try. All you have to do to win it is just to comment on this video and be subscribed to my channel, and I will do the drawing. I plan on doing it next Friday, and I hope that you'll comment, and I wish you all good luck. I wish I had one to give all of you, but I don't. But I did work hard on it, so I hope that you're pleased with it. I hope that it's something you would want. So, y'all take care. I love you. Bye, y'all.